Welcome back to where we explore the latest in motorcycles, gear, and everything two-wheeled. If you're passionate about riding and want to stay updated with the newest bikes on the market, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into the exciting features and innovations of the 2025 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. So buckle up and let's hit the road. The Yamaha Tracer 9 GT is a remarkable machine that builds on the success of its predecessor, the Tracer 9 GT, with some fantastic upgrades and enhancements that cater to both touring enthusiasts and sport bike lovers alike. In this video, we'll explore its design, performance, technology, and much more. First impressions matter, and the Tracer 9 GT does not disappoint. Its aggressive stance and sleek lines command attention on the road. The front end features a sharp, modern headlight design that incorporates LED technology, ensuring optimal visibility both day and night. The bike's bodywork has been refined for better aerodynamics, reducing wind resistance and enhancing overall performance. The color schemes for 2025 are bold and vibrant, reflecting Yamaha's commitment to style and individuality. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more contemporary, the Tracer 9 GT has a color option for you. Comfort is key for long rides, and Yamaha has taken this into account with the Tracer 9 GT. The seating position strikes a balance between sportiness and comfort, making it suitable for both spirited rides and extended journeys. The seat is plush yet supportive, ensuring you remain comfortable even on those long-distance trips. The handlebars are adjustable, allowing you to customize your riding position to suit your preferences. This feature is particularly appreciated by taller riders or those who may have specific ergonomic needs. Plus, the windscreen is adjustable too, giving you the option to fine-tune your protection against the elements. At the heart of the Tracer 9 GT is a powerful 890cc inline-3 engine, delivering an impressive balance of power and torque. With around 117 horsepower and a peak torque of approximately 93 Nm, this engine is designed to provide thrilling acceleration while still being manageable for everyday riding. Yamaha has equipped the Tracer 9 GT with advanced throttle response technology, ensuring a smooth and predictable power delivery. This makes the bike not only fun to ride in the city, but also capable on twisty mountain roads. The 6-speed transmission is crisp and precise, allowing for seamless gear shifts. Whether you're cruising at a steady pace or pushing through the corners, the Tracer 9 GT delivers a satisfying riding experience. Handling is critical for any motorcycle, and the Tracer 9 GT excels in this department. It features fully adjustable front and rear suspension, providing riders with the ability to dial in their setup for varying conditions and preferences. The front suspension consists of 43mm inverted forks which offer excellent feedback and control, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling winding roads. The rear monoshock is also adjustable, ensuring that you can find the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, the Tracer 9 GT feels agile and responsive, making it a joy to ride in a variety of conditions. The bike's center of gravity is low, further enhancing stability and maneuverability, especially in tight corners. Now, let's talk about the technology packed into the 2025 Tracer 9 GT. Yamaha has equipped this bike with a host of advanced features to enhance the riding experience. One standout feature is the 7-inch TFT display, which provides all the necessary information at a glance. It's customizable, allowing riders to choose the layout that works best for them. The display is also smartphone compatible, enabling features such as navigation and music control directly from your bike. Another exciting addition is the comprehensive suite of riding aids. The Tracer 9 GT includes multiple riding modes that adjust throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings based on your preferences and the road conditions. This means whether you're riding in rain, sport, or touring mode, the bike adapts to provide optimal performance and safety. For those who enjoy long rides, the bike comes equipped with cruise control, allowing you to relax on the highway without constantly adjusting the throttle. The integrated quick shifter is another welcome feature, making gear changes smoother and quicker, especially during spirited rides. As a touring-focused motorcycle, the Tracer 9 GT shines with its luggage capabilities. Yamaha offers a range of accessories including hard saddlebags and a top case, perfect for those longer journeys. These bags are designed to complement the bike's aesthetics while providing ample storage space. The integrated mounting system for the luggage is user-friendly, making it easy to attach and detach your gear as needed. Additionally, the bike's overall weight distribution remains balanced even with the luggage loaded, ensuring a stable ride. So what's it like to ride the Tracer 9 GT? Imagine gliding through winding roads with the engine purring beneath you, the wind rushing by as you lean into each curve. The bike's suspension soaks up bumps and imperfections, allowing you to maintain your rhythm without interruption. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the Tracer 9 GT adapts to your riding style. The smooth power delivery and responsive handling inspire confidence, making it a great choice for riders of all skill levels. Yamaha has a well-deserved reputation for building reliable motorcycles, and the Tracer 9 GT is no exception. Regular maintenance is straightforward thanks to clear service intervals and accessible components. This is a bike you can trust to take you on your adventures without the stress of constant repairs. As we look at the market for the 2025 Tracer 9 GT, it's important to discuss pricing. While exact prices can vary by region and dealership, the Tracer 9 GT is positioned competitively in the sport touring segment. Expect a starting price in the range of insert estimated price, which is quite reasonable given the features and performance it offers. In summary, the 2025 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT represents a fantastic blend of performance, comfort, and technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for your next adventure or a newcomer eager to explore the open road, this motorcycle has something to offer. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and touring capabilities, the Tracer 9 GT is designed to make every ride enjoyable. Yamaha has truly outdone themselves with this model, and we can't wait to see how it performs in the real world. Thank you for tuning into. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, tips, and news. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Tracer 9 GT or any other bikes you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.